Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue the chapter Electricity of class 10th Science Physics part. So we have already successfully completed video number 11. Now we are going for video number 12. So let us continue some of the numericals in this video. Find the total resistance and the total current of the given circuit. So this is a circuit. This circuit has three resistors. One is a resistor of 4 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm. So now first we have to calculate what is the total resistance and the total current. So these three resistors are connected to 12 volts battery. Now we have to calculate what is the total resistance and the total current that flows through the circuit. First let us find. So when 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel, what will be this resistance? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ohm 6 ohm parallel ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 4 ohm resistors is connected in series with 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistor. 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. First ಇದು total resistance na find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So when they are connected in parallel, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ R1 is equal to 4 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm and R3 is equal to 6 ohm. ಇಲ್ಲಿ R2 and R3 are connected in, so they are connected in parallel. R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. ಅವೆರಡು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, 1/Rp is equal to 1/R2 plus 1/R3. So 1/Rp is equal to 1 over, so R2 is 3 plus 1/R3 is 6. So 1/Rp is equal to, now take the LCM for 3 and 6. The LCM for 3 and 6 is 6. So in 3 ones are 2s, in 6 ones are 1s. So 1/Rp is equal to 3 divided by 6. 3 ones are 3 2s. So 1/Rp becomes Rp by 1 and 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1 reciprocal. Therefore, so when 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel, the total resistance will become 2 ohm. ಈಗ ನಾವು R1 and R1 is in series with R2 and R3. Already we know that what is the total resistance of R2 and R3? It is 2 ohm. Now let us calculate when the resistors are connected in series, R1 plus Rp. So Rs is equal to R1. We got R1 as 4 ohm plus total resistance when 3 ohm and 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel, it is 2. Therefore Rs is equal to, so 2 plus 4 is 6 ohm. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್? Therefore total resistance is equal to 6 ohm. Now we have to calculate the total current. Let us calculate the total current now. R is equal to 6 ohm. It is connected to 12 volts battery. Then I is equal to question mark. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to V andre 12 divided by R andre 6. 6 ones are 6 twos. Therefore the total current that flowing through the circuit is 2 ampere. So 2 ampere current that flows through the circuit. So like this we have to answer this question. We have calculated both total resistance and also total current that flows through the circuit. Total resistance is 6 ohm and total current is 2 ampere. So now let us move for the next question. So next question is, A cylinder of a material is 10 meter long. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬಿ 20 ಓಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ 11 ಮೀಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಸೊ ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಮೀಟರ್. Then area of cross section given, A is equal to 2 meter square. Now we have to then if the resistance along the length be 20 ohm, R is equal to 20 ohm given. So length given, area given, resistance given, we have to calculate what is the resistivity. Rho is equal to question mark. Along with the rho we have to write the units of resistivity. So now what is the relation for these four? R is equal to rho L by A. So we want rho is equal to, you multiply A here, R into A divided by L. So now rho is equal to, what is R? 20 ohm. What is area? It will be equal to 2 divided by length is 10. So 10 ones are 10 twos. So rho is equal to 2 into 2 become 4. So 4 ohm meter. So 4 is the resistivity. 4 is the resistivity and ohm meter is the SI unit of resistivity. Therefore our answer is 4 ohm meter. So 4 is the resistivity and ohm meter its SI unit. Therefore resistivity of the given material is equal to 4 ohm meter. So like this we have to answer this question. So next ಹೋಗೋಣ, that is next question ಗೆ. So if 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 joules of work is done in moving a particle carrying a charge of 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb from infinity to a point P, what will be the potential at the point P? That means we have to find the potential difference. That means we have to find out the voltage. So now let us answer this question. So when we are making a list of data, work done, W is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 joules. Then they are given a charge. So Q is equal to 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb. Now we have to calculate V. V is equal to question mark. We don't know what is V. So now let us calculate V now. So ಈಗ ನಾವು V ನ calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. So what is the relation between these three? V is equal to W by Q. So V is equal to, W is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by Q is 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So now 2 ones are 2 5s. So 1 by 5 V is equal to 1 by 5 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m ಅಂದರೆ minus 3 minus n ಅಂದರೆ minus 6, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ minus into minus plus 6 ಆಯಿತು. So V is equal to 1 by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 6 is minus 3 plus 6 is 3. So 10 to the power of 1 by 5 into 10 to the power of 3 ಮಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ V is equal to 1 by 5 into 10 to the power of 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 0 0. Therefore potential at point P is equal to 200 volts. So therefore let us write, therefore potential at point P is 200 volts. So like this we have to calculate the potential. So this is how we have to solve this question. Now let us move for the next question. So next question is, calculate the area of cross section of a wire of its length is 1 meter. So let us make a list of data. Length L is equal to 1 meter and the resistance is 23 ohm. R is equal to 23 ohm. Then resistivity of the material is given. Rho is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 ohm meter. Now we have to calculate what is the area of cross section. So now what is the relation for these four? R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is equal to R into A divided by L. So rho ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, L ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, A ನ ಮೇಲಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು. So R we have to calculate area. So A ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ R ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. A is equal to rho L by R. Rho L by R. So area of cross section is equal to, what is the resistivity? 10 to the power of minus 6 into what is the length given? 1 meter divided by what is the resistance they are given? They are given the resistance as 23. So resistance na 23 anta kottidare. So now let us calculate this one. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So area is equal to, so here resistivity is 1.84. So resistivity is 1.84 into 10 to the power of. So 1.84 into 10 to the power of. So now let us write this one as area is equal to, resistivity is 1.84 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into length is 1 divided by area divided by resistance is 23. So area is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 184 ಇಂಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 8 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 23. ಸೊ 23 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 23. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 to the power of minus 8 into, so now let us multiply these two, let us divide 184 by 23. So 23 into 8, so 23 into 8, 8 4s are 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. So 23 1s are 23 8s. So that is equal to, area is equal to, so 8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meter square. So this is the area. So what is the area of the given wire? The area of the given wire is 8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meter square. So when we are writing, the resistivity is 1.84 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ohm meter. So this is the resistivity. So by using that resistivity, if you calculate the area is equal to 8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meter square. So this is the area of the given wire. So like this we have to calculate the area of the given wire. So now let us move for the next question. So next question higide. So they have given a wire 0.1 meter long, 0.2 mm in diameter, and has a resistance of 10 ohm. Calculate the resistivity of its material anta ide. So now let us answer this question. So a wire 0.1 meter long, 0.2 mm in diameter, and has a resistance of 10 ohm. Calculate the resistivity of its material. So let us make a list of data. So in the data they have given length L is equal to 0.1 meter. So diameter is given as 0.2 mm, which is equal to this, like this type of question we have already solved. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter. So this is the diameter. So they have given in mm, we have converted it into meter. So how we have done already, I have shown how to solve this one. So diameter is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter. So now area is equal to pi r square. So area is equal to pi andre 3.14 into radius is half of the diameter. So d by 2 whole square. So area is equal to 3.14 into what is the diameter given, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 2 whole square. So now area is equal to 3.14 into 2 square is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 square is 4. So now 4 cancel. Area is equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meter square. This is the area. So ನಮಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಈಗ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ resistivity. R is equal to rho L by A. We want resistivity. Rho is equal to R into A divided by L. So rho is equal to what is the resistance of the conductor given, 10 ohm, into what is the area, 3.14 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by L. What is L? So L they have given as 0.1 meter. Now rho is equal to, now if you remove the point here, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. 100 into 3.14 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ರೋ is equal to, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ 100 into ಇದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, 314 by 100 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, 100 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, into 10 to the power of minus 8. 100 get cancelled. So rho is equal to 314 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. So this is the resistivity, or even you can write it as ಈಗೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 zeros ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3.14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ohm meter. So this is the resistivity. ಸೊ ಈಗೂ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 3.14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ohm meter or 314 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. ಸೊ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ n equal resistors are there, and these n equal resistors are first connected in series and then in parallel. Then the ratio of maximum resistance, the ratio of maximum to minimum resistance, the ratio of maximum to minimum resistance. So maximum ಗೂ minimum resistance ಗೂ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆನ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆನ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ maximum resistance, to get maximum resistance, n resistors, n number of resistors are connected in, n number of resistors are connected in series. n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾವಾಗ, ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಇಫ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, n number of resistors are there. Therefore rs is equal to n into r, you call it as 1. Next, to get minimum resistance, n number of resistors, to get minimum resistance, n number of resistors are connected in n number of resistors are connected in parallel. So n number of resistorಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು parallel ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to connect n number of resistors? We have to connect in parallel. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ to connect n number of resistors in parallel, Rp is equal to R divided by n. Rp is equal to R divided by n. So n into R series, R by n parallel. So ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್, 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ into what is the reciprocal of r by n? It is n by r. R get cancelled, so rs is to rp is equal to n into n, it is n square. So like this we have to calculate the total, we have to calculate the ratio of maximum resistance to minimum resistance. Maximum resistance connect in series, minimum resistance connect in parallel. So it will be equal, ratio will be equal to n square. The ratio is n square. So like this we have to calculate this, we have to solve this question. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel.